Yes, thank you for rejoining the meeting. Look at this. We'll continue. Everyone find out the answer of this. Look at this. Look at the product which I told you here, right? Where is that? Here. Guys, here what I told, ABC are cyclically changed. The value of the scalar triple product is going to be remain same. ABC, BCA, and CAB. The value is going to remain same. You can change them cyclically. Even though you change them cyclically, the change of cyclic order of a vector in a scalar triple product changes a sign of scalar triple product, but not absolute value. I told, right? ABC. Look at it here, BAC. If I'm changing it, it changes the sign, but not absolute value. So that is what the concept you need to use here. What is the answer? People, what is the answer? Hello. This can be written as what? ABC as it is I'm writing. Minus this can be written as what? Can I write? This also A, B, C. Now look at it here, minus as it is. And now if I change this, what happens? If I change this, what happens? Minus of minus. ABC. This can be written as what? A, B, C. I'm writing in reverse order. So I get minus here. So minus into minus what? Plus. Is it clear? Plus 2 times of. All right. Now tell me the answer. Guys, here CB hai na? CB hai. This can be written as minus of ABC, isn't it? So minus into minus plus. So 5 minus 1. How much?
4.
4. Very good. What is the answer now? 4 is going to be your answer. Any doubts, people?
No, sir.
4 times of A, B, C. All right. This is what your option. Now look at it here. What is the answer now? 4 into this, my how much given? This into 1, right? So 1. So 4 is going to be your answer. How simple it is. How simple it is. Look at next question. Next question. Before getting into the next question, everyone take a note. Everyone take a note. In scalar triple product is also a commutative. Commutative का मतलब क्या होता है? What do you mean by commutative? Let's see that. In scalar, let me in a short way. Scalar triple product positions of dot and cross can be interchanged. Can be interchanged. Can be interchanged, provided the cyclic order remains same. Provided the cyclic order remains same. हाँ, इसका मतलब क्या होता है? What is the meaning of this? Which means if I have A dot B cross C is nothing but what? Interchange, I told, right? Interchange. Here positions of dot and cross product can be interchanged. देखो, can I write like this now? They can write A cross B dot C product. This can be written as like this. Same ही होता है. ठीक है. Now if I bring here this one, A cross B dot C can be written as what? Again, you can interchange. Dot and cross product can be interchanged. Look at this. So this can be written as C and A cross B. इसको मैंने क्या, इसको पहले लिख दिया, इसको बाद में लिखा, इसको पहले लिख दिया, इसको बाद में लिखा. देखो. All right, people, you can be interchanged like that. This is one thing. So मुझे इससे क्या मिलेगा? So you write. So here now if I bring this here again, C dot A cross B can be written as what? Box CAB. How many have agreed to my point, guys? I told, right, starting definition क्या था? A dot B cross C को मैंने क्या लिखता था? What I was writing, what I used to write, this is how I used to write. Then मैंने CAB है तो CAB box में लिख दूंगा मैंने. Yes or no? As per the definition of cross product, isn't it, people?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So as per the definition of the cross product, I can write like that. So 1 minute. Huh? Oh, 1 minute. Okay. So this is what I wrote now. Now box CAB can be written as what? Of course, A, B, C, as per the note I have given the above steps, in above steps. So you can see, what can I say from all these points? What can I say? As dot product commutative. ऑलराइट, डॉट प्रोडक्ट कम्यूटेटिव को फॉलो करते हैं ना, पहले हम लोग डॉट प्रोडक्ट में पढ़े थे. ऑलराइट, वी जस्ट लर्नड इन डॉट प्रोडक्ट कम्यूटेटिव को फॉलो करता है. तो फ्रॉम दैट प्रकार से, फ्रॉम उस प्रकार से हम लोग कैन आई से नाउ इंटरचेंज. क्या होता है? डॉट एंड क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट, पोजीशंस ऑफ डॉट एंड क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट कैन बी इंटरचेंज लाइक दिस. इधर डॉट है तो मैंने क्या लिखूंगा? ए क्रॉस बी लिख के इधर डॉट सी लिख दूंगा. वी कैन इंटरचेंज दैट. ऑलराइट, फ्रॉम दिस नाउ दिस कैन बी रिटन एज व्हाट नाउ? You can interchange now. Look at here, positions. इसका C का position last में था तो मैंने पहले कर दिया इसको. Alright, you can interchange like that. Alright, so now this can be again written as what? C dot A cross B, right? So this can be written as what? As per the definition like this. And now if I read CAB, this can be written as ABC like this. Very simple, people. What we have learned here, we can change the position. C last में था तो पहले लिख दिया मैंने, and ये पहले था इसको बाद में लिख दिया मैंने. I can interchange the positions of dot and cross product. That is what we have learned mainly in this note. Okay, now we'll talk about one question here. Guys, am I going fast? Prove that. How can I prove this? Come on. Very simple. Few sums I'll solve few sums, no problem. Look at this, guys. Here a plus b given. This can be written as what? This can be written as what? This can. What is my first step? Tell me your approach. Tell me how you are thinking to approach towards this. How you guys are thinking to how you guys are thinking to approach towards this question? Come on. Hello. Children, can you see the screen? Yes, I just got held up. Yeah. Tell me how our approach should be here. How should be our approach? Guys, come on. Any doubt? Any idea? Are you guys getting my point here? How can we approach here? I'm asking. People, very simple, very simple. Hello. Guys, are you here or not? Are yaar, very simple hai na? This can be written as what? ABC. ABC can be written as what? Box ABC can be written as what? Box ABC का definition क्या था? A dot B cross C. This is equal to this, isn't it? Do you agree with my point?
Yes, sir.
Now, this is my A, B, C vectors. Let us consider like that. Then how can I write this? This can be written as what now? A plus B dot all right. Now look at this. How can we solve this? Write this as A plus B. इसको मल्टीप्लाई करो B, देखो B क्रॉस C, B क्रॉस C प्लस B क्रॉस ये नॉर्मल मल्टीप्लीकेशन कर दिया मैंने, प्लस C क्रॉस C प्लस C क्रॉस ये. This is what I can write here. How can I do? This into this, this into this, this into this, this into this. Normal multiplication. Isn't it, people? Hello? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. Now what is C cross C here? मुझे C cross C क्या देता है? What is C cross C? Gives me 0. Isn't it? Let me say A plus B, B cross C as it is, plus B cross A, plus what this gives you 0, plus C cross C plus A. Alright, why it gives 0? वो 0 कैसा देगा बता मुझे? C cross C क्या होता है बेटा? इसका फॉर्मूला C मॉडुलस ऑफ C sin theta into n cap. Alright, so we have seen how it becomes 0. 0 sin 0 क्या होता है? 0 तो होता है. तो why? Because whenever you have two vectors, वो पैरेलल होगा तो उसका एंगल 0 होगा. एंगल 0 मतलब sin 0. 0 मतलब, you understand or not here? sin 0 मतलब 0 हो जाएगा. C cross C, so C मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ C तो sin थीटा. इधर दोनों पैरेलल होगा, पैरेलल मतलब एंगल 0 होगा, एंगल 0 मतलब sin 0 0, 0 into something 0. That's how it becomes 0. All right. Now next. Now look at this. How can I just write this? Now A dot B cross C. Guys, look at this into this. All right, this into this into this. Okay, next, and B into that, this into this into this into this. Likho aisa, just try to write in that way. Similarly, what can we write? A dot B cross C plus B dot B cross C plus A dot B cross A plus B dot B cross A plus, guys, don't remember anything. We are not remembering anything. Everything conceptualize. Okay. All right, people understand? Are you guys able to understand here? मैंने जो भी multiply कर रहा हूँ, whatever the simplification I'm making here, are you able to understand or not? People, are you able to understand or not? Come on,
Yes,
बताइए
sir.
मुझे. Now tell me, this can be written as what as per the definition? Box ABC रहा अच्छा? Yes or no? I can write like that, isn't it? Plus BBC क्या लिख सकता हूँ मैंने? BBC box BBC and ABA को क्या लिख सकता हूँ मैंने? Box ABA plus BBA को क्या लिख सकता हूँ मैंने? Box BBA. Isn't it, guys? Hello. तो थोड़ा इसको क्या लिख देंगे, इधर लिख देंगे बस.
Yes, sir.
थोड़ा इसको क्या लिखेंगे? Okay, so this is how we can just write this. Now look at this. This I wrote like this. This I wrote like this. I wrote like this. Plus इसको A. What is this? Box A C A. Plus this can be written box B C A. So now tell me. Tell me what happens here. Guys, here मुझे क्या मिलेगा बताओ? Look at this here. How many of you know this? How many of you know this? Everyone knows this, right? If I have, look at this, BBC I have, right? This BBC can be written as what? CBB. Can I interchange like this? We can interchange, no? Hello? This can be written as what? This can be written as what? C dot B cross B. Isn't it? Now B cross B is what? 0 as per the rule. C dot C vector into 0 क्या होता है? 0 होता है. You understand my point? So wherever you have BB like this, you can just give a 0. All right. You understood now? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, look at this. BBC give me 0. Now ABA क्या होता है? ABA can be interchanged as how? I can interchange as like this. तो ये बाद में आ रहा है, तो like you know these are coming side by side, तो this also becomes 0. ये तो ऐसे ही 0 हो जाएगा. And this also can be written as what? AAC. And this be 0. And this cannot be 0. All right, people, are you able to understand or not? बताइए मुझे.
Yes, sir. It's
How many?
clear.
Yes, sir.
What is the, guys? Here nothing to understand actually. There is nothing to understand much. Very simple. इसमें कुछ रॉकेट साइंस का सब्जेक्ट नहीं है. वेरी सिंपल वाला चीज है. देखो ध्यान से सुनिए, मैंने फिर से लिखता हूँ बिकॉज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. देखो मैंने इसको समझा दिया, ठीक है. बीबीसी को मैंने 0 बना दिया. अब अगर इसको कैसे बनाता हूँ मैंने, हाउ कैन आई मेक दिस? ये बी I can make like this, isn't it? Now this, however, this becomes 0, and how can I make this as ये as per the cross product I can write like this. Now मैंने क्या बताया था अभी? मैंने क्या बताया था? What I told now, अगर ये दोनों सेम चीज आ रहा है बाद, like you know next, if I am getting two vectors repeatedly, that becomes 0 0 0 0, and ये भी 0. ये जो पिंक वाला सर्किल सब 0 बन रहा है, तो ये क्या बचेगा मुझे? This one and this one I just left with. I'll be left with what? The first one plus BCA. This BCA can be written as what? PCA can be written as ABC or not? मैंने लिख सकता हूँ ना ऐसा?
Yes,
yes or no
sir.
people? So ये क्या बन गया अभी? 2 times of ABC. मुझे यही तो चाहना, that is what you know, this is what I had to prove. This is what I have to prove. देखिए एक बार, देखो. People, are you able to understand or not? Come on. Come on, tell me how many of you understood, guys?
It's clear, sir.
Very simple. देखो ये कभी भी C क्रॉस C कभी भी 0 होता है, ये ध्यान से सुनिए. कभी भी A क्रॉस A भी कभी भी 0 होता है. सिंस द एंगल इज गोइंग टू बी 0, साइन 0 0 दे रहा है तो पूरा 0 बन जाता है. ठीक है. हाँ, अगर बॉक्स में, बॉक्स प्रोडक्ट में ऐसा कभी भी आएगा, ये भी 0 बन जाएगा. कैसा? दिस कैन बी रिटन एज व्हाट? like this, right? If I just go with that, if I just expand that, if I expand that, it becomes 0. ये बेस्ट एग्जांपल है. देखो मैंने ये बता दिया था आपको. ठीक है. Isn't it people? Hello. BBC can be written as, BBC can be written as CBB, C dot B cross B, isn't it? B cross B 0, so that's how it becomes 0. Hope it is clear to you all. Next question. Next question, shall we go for that?
Yes, sir.
Are you guys ready?
Yes, sir.
How is the
Yes,
Josh?
sir.
How is the Josh? How is the Josh?
Hi, sir.
How is the Josh? Dharya, Divyanka, Ritvik. Hello. How is the Josh, man?
Hi, sir.
Good. You might have watched the movie called Uri, right?
Yes, sir.
How many of you watched that? How many of you? Raise your hands. Adesha. What about others? No one?
So देखिए.
Dharya?
Yes, sir.
Divyanka? Have you? Great. Abhinaya, what about you?
No, sir.
You didn't watch. Okay, no problem. See that in that movie, there is a famous dialogue. How is the Josh? Always high. Your Josh should be always high. All right, in the class. Okay, the A vector given as I cap plus J cap plus K cap, and the B vector is given as 4I cap plus 3J cap plus cap, and C vector is given as I cap plus alpha J cap plus beta K cap are coplanar, and magnitude of C given that, magnitude of C vector is given that √3. Then find alpha and beta. Find alpha and beta. A vector given, B vector given, C vector given, they are coplanar. कोप्लानर का मतलब मैंने कंडीशन बताया था, सिंपल कंडीशन. कहाँ तो भी आपको कोप्लानर मिल जाए तो क्या करना चाहिए? बॉक्स एबीसी 0 लगाओ बस. Isn't it people? Hello.
Yes, sir.
These are coplanar. तो क्या करना चाहिए मुझे? बॉक्स एबीसी को अंडा बना दो बस. इसको अंडा बनाने के लिए क्या करना चाहिए मुझे बताओ? बॉक्स एबीसी को कैसे लिख सकता हूँ मैंने? बॉक्स एबीसी वेक्टर्स गिवन राइट. 1 1 1 4 3 4 1 अल्फा बीटा इसको 0। अभी ये मुझे सिंपल है, डिटरमिनेंट एक्सपैंड द डिटरमिनेंट सिंपल थिंग, हमने बचपन से लर्न, वी हैव बीन लर्निंग फ्रॉम द चाइल्डहुड। ऑलराइट, तो +1, तो 4 अल्फा माइनस 3 इज इक्वल टू 0, इजंट इट पीपल? इसको सॉल्व करो। अभी देखो 3 बीटा माइनस 4 अल्फा माइनस 4 बीटा प्लस 4 अल्फा माइनस 3 इज इक्वल टू 0। इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो मुझे क्या मिलेगा? देखो 4 अल्फा तो ऐसे ही कैंसिल हो जाएगा, तो 3 बीटा माइनस बीटा प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू 0, तो बीटा इज गोइंग टू बी व्हाट? 1। ऑलराइट गाइस, एनी डाउट्स? हेलो, हाँ सर, आपको ये डाउट लग रहा है कि ये बॉक्स एबीसी ये कहाँ से आ गया? गाइस आपको मैंने लिखा आया था, देखो गाइस, आई जस्ट टॉट यू टुडे, वेयर इज दैट कार्टेशियन फॉर्म। देखो बॉक्स एबीसी को क्या लिख सकता हूँ मैंने? बॉक्स एबीसी जैसा दिख रहा है, इसको कैसे लिख सकता हूँ मैंने फाइनली? नॉट दिस वन, वेयर इज दैट? हाँ, हियर कार्टेशियन फॉर्म, I have this, how it is looking like, how this statement is looking like, a dot b cross c, that I wrote it as like this. This is nothing but box abc only, right? Isn't it people? Hello?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Yes, so box abc can be written as what now? In Cartesian form, in cross product, what we used to learn, if I have two vectors a and मेरे पास दो वेक्टर था, तो मैंने क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट में क्या लिख सकता? I j k लिखता था, एंड इधर कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ a and either coefficient of b, then expand the determinant. That is how I used to do in cross triple product, in scalar triple product। in scalar triple product क्या करना चाहिए? मेरे पास 3 वेक्टर्स है, तो क्या बनाना चाहिए मुझे? I should write, I'll be having 3 vectors, which means I need to write the coefficient of 3 vectors, a vector, b vector, c vector। all right people, understood the difference? हाँ देखो, अभी
Yes, sir.
b वैल्यू मुझे ये बन गया है, तो what is the value of alpha now? हाँ, he has given one more condition. What he has given? Also given that, and given magnitude of c is equal to what? √3. Then if I do squaring on both sides, magnitude of c is nothing but what? Magnitude of c whole square is equal to 3. Magnitude of c is what? Alpha, I mean like 1 square, square root of 1 square plus alpha square plus beta square whole square is equal to 3। ये तो ऐसा ही कैंसिल हो जाएगा, 1 square plus alpha square plus beta square is equal to 3। I know the beta value, 1 square is 1 here, 1 plus alpha square plus 1 is equal to 3, alpha square is equal to 3 minus 2 1, alpha is equal to what? Plus or minus 1, not plus 1। प्लस और माइनस 1 बिल्कुल लिखना चाहिए, ठीक है? yes or no people?
Yes,
yes
sir.
or no? yes, so this is what the value of alpha is all about and beta। clear? हेलो पीपल, अंडरस्टूड? कोप्लानर का मतलब क्या होना चाहिए? दिमाग में क्या सटकना है? ये वाला, ठीक है? ये इससे क्या, इसके बाद क्या करना है? ये वाला, ठीक है? उसके बाद आपको ये एक वैल्यू पता चल जाएगा, तो फ्रॉम दैट आई गॉट बीटा वैल्यू। नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज हाउ टू फाइंड अल्फा वैल्यू। उसके लिए क्या कंडीशन दिया है? और एक कंडीशन, he has given मॉड्यूलर मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ c given as 3, मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ c करो, 3 के बराबर करो, आपके उसके बाद आपको ऐसे ही समझ में आ जाएगा कि स्क्वायरिंग ऑन बोथ साइड करेंगे तो ही मुझे अल्फा वैल्यू मिलेगा। ऑलराइट, सो दैट्स हाउ वी कैन जस्ट फाइंड इट आउट इजीली गाइस। होप इट इज क्लियर टू यू ऑल। ऑलराइट पीपल, ऑलराइट?
Yes, sir.
yes, so yes, please do revise this and come to the next class। and अभी मैंने एक क्वेश्चन दूंगा आपको, और एक क्वेश्चन दूंगा, everyone solve this question, take this question as a homework। let a c be unit vectors, ठीक है? ये भी यूनिट वेक्टर्स है, ऑफ which no two are collinear and also they are non-collinear, then find box ABC, if it is given a dot b is equal to b dot c is equal to c dot a is equal to 1 by 2. This is very good question. Everyone find out this. All right. So thank you. So this is what the today's session is about. Don't leave. Wait a minute. I am going to suggest you something. Yes, everyone do solve the questions. All right, people. And thank you. Please, you guys, everyone look at this here. Everyone, please, after going home, revise the notes. Solve, try to solve multiple sums from your school book. All right, so that you will get a confidence. Thank you.